Is your software tool reporting the Qt6gui.dll is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before we get into the manual guide for Qt6gui, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This DLL file is the primary graphics library for Qt6. It handles window management, event dispatching, and foundational 2D graphics rendering for applications built with the latest version of the Qt framework. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Qt framework to restore the Qt6gui.dll library without risking system instability. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Qt6gui message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the Qt6gui.dll, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the Qt6gui. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time the Qt6gui encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.